To start, attach the main airway tubing from your CPAP or bi-level machine to your mask swivel. You will turn on the machine once you have fit and adjusted your mask properly. If you have a machine with an automatic on-off, just breathing normally for a few moments once the mask is in place will allow the machine to sense your breathing and turn on. SleepWeaver is designed for quick, comfortable fitting. After you've seated the mask and headgear on your head and face, adjust the mask over your nose and gently slide it to the left and right until it feels secure. 3 adjustment straps attach your mask to the headgear. Gently tighten each strap until you get a snug and comfortable but not overly tight fit. First, tighten the neck straps to make the mask secure around the head. Then tighten the forehead strap to ensure that the mask is seated gently against the underside of the nose, and gently slide it to the left and right until the mask feels secure. The headgear should comfortably rest underneath your earlobes. If the lower straps are touching the earlobes, try loosening the forehead strap, tightening the neck straps, and pulling the headgear lower onto the back of the head.